Have a look at this here. It's a 1970 LC GTR, genuine matching numbers Torana. It's valued at $140,000.
Can't believe it. It's a dream come true. Get on board, everyone. They're the real deal.
Well, back in the day, no wonder we were chased by the police in this thing. It's a 2600S GTR original, inline 6-cylinder, matching engine and frame numbers. And a 4-speed box, it's the real deal. Painted in platinum gold metallic, sitting on 13-inch wheels. It's been a total rotisserie built back in 2016. It's got the original flutes in the fenders, the original decals. Have a go at the bucket seats in this. They are sick. And the steering wheel, it's original GTR dash, original GTR console. The whole thing is original right through from every nut and bolt. Get around this Aussie classic muscle car. Get your packages. Paddy here from Classics. We're proud to support veterans.